Hi guys, welcome to the first edition of the Chopin Étude project. I'm super happy that you are here to join me, and I picked this Opus 25 number 9 Butterfly Étude to be the first because this was my first encounter to the Chopin Études, and safe to say that this is also the longest that it took me to really decipher. So I'm bringing you my biggest discovery upfront from the get-go. If you haven't done any of the etudes before, I don't think you want to start from the most difficult one per se, because then it might deter you from it. Pick something that's really kind of resonate to you, where there's something in it that really interests you, because then you'll be curious and excited to know about how to do it. And curiosity is a better teacher than disappointment. So what it's all about, I think, is the staccatos. If I have to sum it up in a nutshell, he's trying to teach you and train you that there are different staccatos and different treatment of staccatos, octave staccatos in this. And it's cross coordination between the two hands. So you want to do this. This is a slur. Make sure you know that this is end of slur and then an active staccato. So slur, end of slur, and really staccato. That's the first thing that you do all throughout. So you know that this is a release and then this is an active one. Passive, active. Next couple of episodes is going to be about the left hand, and so first you wanted to kind of like have that. I write it as an octave so that you could feel that this is just here together. It's this connection. First of all, you should always learn it hand together. So after you manage part one and then you are familiar with that, so now you can concentrate on you're just repeating, you're implementing this into your right hand, and then you're learning something new in your left hand. So after you've done that, I would figure out this way. That connection in the left hand. Okay, so after you have those components, you want to figure out also where they move in. So they move together. So besides the real estate, it's also the direction of where you're taking your arms and palms. Okay, now I'm gonna get used to the offbeat being direct opposition. So this is an active one, and then this is a release.